Morning everyone on TikTok land. It's Carrie from wildflowerartbycarrie.com, and I just wanted to say good morning from New Mexico and put the tripod out, see if we could catch any birdie action, and maybe you can enjoy a cup of coffee or tea and take a look at the garden this morning. We're full of blooms. Got some New England asters coming in here, and then over here I have that bush there is hibiscus, and Russian sage in the back there with a wind spinner. And got some gladiolas and vincas and coreopsis, hollyhocks. They're doing well. Excuse the background noise. The trash man is picking up the trash this morning. And then we have purple coneflowers. So the garden on July 2nd here is just bursting with color and beautiful blooms. I love it. Look at the New Mexico sunrise here. It's pretty bright. And then our beautiful Sandia mountain range. You can hear the quail. They're all singing their song this morning, all the little birdies. I just love mornings before all the craziness starts with traffic and things like that, hearing the wildlife. Everyone's so happy. And they all have to come visit the garden and get a drink at the bird bath and forage. So I hope you all, this is gonna be a short one this morning. I just kind of want to put this, get this view for you this morning and show you the beautiful colors when that east sun hits everything and it illuminates all the purples and pinks and yellows and reds, and just how pretty it is in the mornings here. When I look out my kitchen window and, oh, there's some birdies, patio area, this is what I see every morning. Hello, beep beeps. Hello, babies. They want to come over and get a drink. Those little birdies. So I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. And I'll probably be on maybe later this week doing another garden tour, but I just wanted to jump on this morning and let you all enjoy the view. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll talk soon. Take care and bye for now.